Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. If you like the channel, give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and a comment, and I'll try to get back to you, answer any questions you might have. And I really appreciate everybody watching my channel and the people that are coming out to the yard, the reclaim yard. I see them on the weekends and they say hey, so it's nice to see that people are paying attention. Thanks. This is what I'm working in right now, moving rock off the barge. Man, it is rough too. Look at that, kicking my butt. I forgot to grab a before picture, but the wall next door is pretty much what this looked like. Had no rock there. I've already installed 4 loads of rock along this shoreline here. As you can see the high tide line on the wall, so during high tide the rock will still be under just a little bit. So I spoke with a customer and we're going to go ahead and get 2 more loads of rock just to get this rock up above the high tide line. I like doing that because it still breaks up the wave action instead of hitting the wall, spraying up on the house and spraying the windows during a good north wind. The rock will break the wave action up and kind of keep it down here by the seawall. Guys are dumping rock over there, as you can see. I'm going over there with the barge and picking it up, and then you see it's here on the barge right here. So come down here with my bucket, pick that up, and place it in front of the wall. Keep from tearing the customer's backyard up that way. I got Smiles operating the tractor. He's learning. Rocks installed, washed down, top tap boards that got damaged during installation been replaced. All stacked and organized, looks really good. Customer should not have to worry about this wall ever again. The rocks will probably settle about 10% as the waves hit them and kind of settle down where they need to be, but it'll definitely be a good front for the seawall here to break up the wave action during storms. All that had to be hand placed up underneath there for the actual get up underneath there with the tractor. Hey, this project is wrapping up now. We got 7 truckloads of stone installed on this project right here. You can see we really armored the shoreline here. It's gonna be a lot better. If y'all hadn't subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so and give me a thumbs up, a like, give me a comment if you got one. We're pushing off now to head over to Polynesian Isles to get started on a seawall and the canals up there. Got a bunch of stumps down by the shoreline I got to get removed first, and then I'll get the piling set for the naval style wall.